Hello everyone. How are you? As you might have guessed by the title, I'm going to talk with you about mobile development. Let's try to figure out how audience is involved in mobile development. Please raise your hand if you consider yourself as a mobile developer. Yeah, me, of course. I'm a speaker about mobile, so I should. And please raise your hand if you're somehow involved in mobile development, but not developer. Oh, yeah. OK, good. So why I'm asking? Because actually, usually I'm giving talks about like technical things, like framework under the hood, I don't know, AI integration. But today, this is one of my first talks that not exactly technical. The main target audience of this talk are kind of decision makers in mobile development, like technical leaders, solution architects, like CEO level, and so on, who really make decisions. But first, it will be, I think, interesting for developers as well, and for people who are not involved in mobile development, because the approach, I guess, can be applied to any technology area. OK, let's get started. But before, a few words about myself. You know a little bit already. So my name is Sasha. I came from Berlin, so not too far, 1 hour by plane. I work for IPAMA, chief software engineer and head of Flutter competency. And usually I'm playing roles in project, playing roles of solution architect, technical leader, and so on. And I have a lot of intersections with business people, so that's why I decided to prepare this talk to share this experience. Besides that, I'm Google developer expert in AI, Flutter, and Firebase. If you don't know what does it mean, but would like to know, please catch me later. I will explain what this achievement means. So what else? Oh, yeah, I'm organizer of Flutter Berlin community. If you're interested in Flutter and will be in Berlin, please welcome to our events. OK, let's come back to the topic. So optimization of mobile development strategies for maximum business impact. It sounds very complicated and long. So let's try to break it down and figure out what exactly I'm going to talk about. Mobile development strategies. What is this? So it's kind of definition. So mobile development strategy is a plan of action for creating and deploying mobile application, including goals and objectives, selection of platforms and devices, technologies and tools, development processes, marketing and launch, as well as maintenance and updates. OK, we have a definition. What else do we have here? Business impact. What is business impact? Business impact refers to a positive effect that can be achieved by a business from its action, decisions, and strategies. This means optimizing resources, effort to achieve the highest level, blah, blah, blah. You can read. Maximum business impact is the greatest positive effect, yeah? And optimization. Optimization usually means it's improving of something to achieve the best results. So let's translate the title in a more simple way. So I'm going to talk about how to improve a plan of creation and deploying mobile application to achieve the greatest positive effect for business. Let's go. So let's try to imagine that you are the decision maker who already has a development strategy. And now you are thinking how to improve it, how to get more result. Let's discuss how to do it. The first thing that comes to mind is technology choice. So some people think that technology is a main part, and changing development strategy means change technology, and only technology matters. But there is another opinion that technology doesn't matter at all, because users usually don't care how application was implemented, what is under the hood. Yeah, it's just enough application get job done, looks good and innovative, so and users are happy. And we can consider technology just as a vehicle that takes business idea and brings it to life for people. So doesn't really matter what is the technology. But from another side, what if I would like to drive Bugatti? Yeah? Bugatti is not just a vehicle. Yeah? It's a beauty, it's grace, it's speed. But Bugatti is not able to carry much cargo. Yeah? So for some projects, technology choice is really matters, especially if we have kind of intersection between business and technology people, because sometimes technology people are really concentrated on technology, and so let's use it because it's a perfect technology from our perspective. And business people don't really think about technology and think only about business. And the best results we can achieve when these ideas can intersect and find the best parts of all ideas, technology choice and business idea. And one more thing, technology is always bunch of things. So you can't take the best things of any technology and not to take not good parts. So it's always trade-off. You should take the technology, the full technology, not only part of them. So let's discuss how to make this choice properly.
I hope you're enjoying this video, but did you know Lead Dev has a lot more to offer?
When I think about Lead Dev, I think about bricks and hearts. Bricks are those foundational things that you need to know, and Lead Dev provides that through webinars, through videos, through cutting-edge research. But hearts are the things that you need to glue yourself to the people at work, and Lead Dev does that through conferences and meetups.
Make sure you check out leaddev.com.
So there's just a list of all possible approach how to develop mobile applications. There's native development, like native iOS, native Android, cross-platform development, like Flutter, React Native, MAUI, Kotlin Multiplatform, hybrid approach, like Cordova and so on, progressive web applications, and immersive, like Unreal Engine and Unity. And all of them has good things to do something and not good for something. So you need to make this choice. So I prepared the list of 3 pillars of technology choice decision making: business requirements, user experience, and technology dependencies. So business requirements first, K functional requirements. So it's just K functional requirements. Which kind of devices are you going to support? Which kind of screen resolutions and so on? In-house competency. Which competency your team has? So if you have team of JavaScript developers, probably switching to like Flutter will be not the best choice at the moment, yeah, because they already know JavaScript. Cost reduction. It's how you can reduce the cost using this technology. For example, how many platforms are you going to support? Is your application is going to be deployed only for one platform, or for two platforms, or many platforms? And how you can reduce the cost using exactly this technology. And release and updates. How are you going to release your application? Do you really need application store? Or it's enough to have only like progressive web application? Do you need code push, or you will be happy without code push, and so on? All of them are the parts of your decision-making flow. User experience. Do you need any specific user experience? For example, your application is, I don't know, augmented reality application, virtual reality, or so. Or just usual simple application, and so on. How application should look and feel? Is it matter to have really native experience, or you think your users don't care about it? Accessibility and localizations. It's always important, but how it's important for your business purposes, and which level of importance on this. And technology dependency, mandatory capabilities of technology, and non-functional requirements, like security level, performance, and so on. So you need to consider all of these things when you make your choice. But you need to consider it when you look at what exactly you would like to achieve. What is the main for you here? So you're a decision maker. You know this image. I generated it. I wanted to create abstract decision maker. So not, and I generate for me abstract decision maker. So it's kind of abstract decision maker. So you're a decision maker, and you have this development strategy, and you have already technologies that you have chosen, and you think, so results are not good. I think it can be better, so I can improve somehow. Should I change the technology that I already have, or not? Switch or not to switch? So the thing is that sometimes the reason of not good performance or no good results, it's not technology itself. The gremlins are not in technology. Gremlins can be hidden in the processes, in the pipeline, and so on. And first, before thinking about technology, you have to check other things. So I prepared kind of plan. What should you check step by step? First, you should identify your business outcomes and KPIs. So what exactly you would like to achieve here? How do you estimate your goals? It's engagement, online sales, release cycle optimization, developer efficiency. What are we checking? Then you can validate. For example, find case studies of already implemented application and check how it was done before to compare what can go wrong. So check the same KPIs and metrics, same industry, same technical stack. So, or if you have no previous experience, you can find experts and discuss it with them. For example, EFAM, yeah, you know, we have a lot of experience. For example, I was involved in implementation tons of applications with many different technology stacks and many different business domains. Then, what we can optimize without changing technology and get our gains. So we can optimize development processes, fix technical debt, have more efficiency onboarding, do more pair programming, so you can read everything, so I report, improve communication, and so on. You can optimize operational things, so fix build pipeline, drawdown context switching, and so on. And strategic optimization. Prepare better system architecture, reduce platform drift between iOS, Android, and so on. All of them not exactly related to technology choice, but they matter. So actually, in my experience, after such improvement, one developer can get 1.2, 1.5 gains in comparison with previous and not optimized environment. So like developer efficiency before and developer efficiency after optimization. So even one developer will bring much more gain. And then you can utilize this gain and apply to any KPIs that you already have chosen in the beginning. Or you can save money. It's always your choice, and like reduce the size of development team. So I don't like this, but it's like we are talking about business. And how to compare technology if you like did all these steps and came to exactly choice of technology. We have so I can propose 3 ways how to do it: heuristics, cross-section, and stepwise, all of them together. So heuristic, you just prepare a table when you choose the characteristics and capabilities of technology and try to evaluate all of them. And then like choose which is better. Stepwise is a more simple approach. We go step by step. So do we have complex native dependencies? Yes, let's go to native development. No, let's go to the next condition. So do we have like virtual reality or it's game? If yes, it's immersive app. If no, let's check next step. So performance is critical. If yes, we can go to cross-platform. If no, we can consider a web on the mobile. And presence in App Store. So if you don't need it, we can go with progressive web application. If you need it, with hybrid application. So it's very simple, but it's very high level. And the best one and the deepest one is a cross-section analysis. When you choose your capabilities, lie them on the spider diagram, and then do the same with the same capabilities with technology. For example, here is with native. And check the cross-section. How big is the square cross-section? For example, it's just an abstract example and just random example capabilities. So this is cross-section of native and our application, and this is cross-section of cross-platform and our application and hybrid. So the square is good in all 3 of them, but the biggest one is cross-platform. So probably the cross-platform will be the best for exactly this application for capabilities you checked. So there is an example of graph of one of my past experience of one customer. So they have no optimization. Then we prepared for them optimization and got 3.35 gains. And then we introduced Flutter. So I'm a Flutter developer, so my examples will be about Flutter. But it's just because of me. It can be another technology. So after introducing Flutter and moved to 2 developers team to 1, we got 4.65 gains. And here, we are close to the next part of talk, expanding mobile solution. So people use not only mobile phones for doing things. So sometimes there's laptops, sometimes smart TVs or wearable devices. And I asked ChatGPT to prepare me comparison of global number of connected devices 2024. Of course, the biggest amount is mobile devices, but people use smart TVs and desktops and laptops as well. So if we expand our solution to these devices, we can achieve more gains. There is a graph how profit increase related of number of platforms supported. So it's a kind of so as many platforms we supported, as more profit we got, but slower and slower. And there is a combination of graphs here, how complicated to get more platforms to the same solution. So it's more and more complicated as more platforms you try to apply. And here Flutter again. So because of Flutter just render everything on the screen, so this Flutter is much simpler to bring your application to next devices. So yeah, there is a slide that Flutter supports web, desktop, and even TV platforms, not officially, but support. So when we move the solution for web as well, so the same code base is mobile and web together, we have got 5.45 gains. And the last, but not least, part, we are in 2025, so leveraging AI for optimization. So I have only 3 minutes, and I expected this. So I have not too many slides left, because this topic, it can be prepared as a separate talk. What I would like to say here, actually, you can use AI for any step that I shown you before, and increase the results. But so it's like the basic things that you always can use and bring this AI to your development processes. So of course, code generation and assistance, like intelligent testing and debugging, AI-powered UI and UX design, so project management analytics, and speed will be increased, processes will be improved, and so on. I have no real yeah, I forgot for this thing. So yeah, you get reduced time, less routine, higher quality, faster releases, rapid prototyping, and so on. So I have no real example of this because these gains that I demonstrated you, it was in 2023, as I remember. So we had no such amount of AI tools as now. And we didn't estimate result with the AI. But I'm really sure that if we would do this estimation now, so we would have something like this. Yeah, because it's really, really useful and helpful. OK, yeah, I almost in time. So the point of my talk is, if you are looking for a way to optimize your development strategy, or you haven't thought about it before, probably it's time to think about it, don't try to improve it and fix it point by point. Just do it take it systematic and step-by-step approach. You can use my plan that I propose to prepare your own, but it really works fine in complex. When you're not trying to fix a part of your processes, just look at it on the whole thing and analyze and fix step by step. And only with this approach, you will be able to get fantastic results and many, many gains you will get. 7 seconds. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope it was useful. And if you have questions about real examples, real example for leveraging, and would like to talk about Google Developer Expert and so on, just you can catch me after, and I will be happy to talk with you about it. Thank you.